Hi, this is Mike Wallach with TriMech. In a previous video, I showed you how to convert a SOLIDWORKS assembly to a multibody part. Well, here in the assembly version of this gas strut, I have a width mate that allows me to easily move the piston rod and connected components between this fully open or uncompressed position and this fully closed or compressed position. Well, in the part, it's not quite as easy to have that range of motion, but we can still get it done. So I'm going to switch over to the gas strut multibody part file, and I'm going to activate the direct editing tab of the command manager. So there's direct editing, and there's a tool that's easily accessible here, MoveCopy bodies, which is what we're going to use. But first, I'm going to go over to configurations and rename the default configuration to closed. And then I'm going to create a derived configuration for the open position. And now with the open derived configuration active, I'm going to hide this tube with the tab key so that we can see the components inside, and then use the MoveCopy bodies command. This command can be used to just translate or rotate bodies. For the constraints version of the command, can be used like the mate tool in an assembly. So with the bodies to MoveCopy field selected, I'm going to pick all of the different bodies that I want to reposition, all of those, and then under mate settings, I'm going to select the faces that I want to reposition. So I'll take that face of the piston and connect it to this face over here, make that coincident, and add. And now when I hit OK, you can see in the feature manager tree, I have a body MoveCopy feature. Let's now show the tube with Shift tab and test by switching configurations. So I'm going to go back to the closed configuration. And now in this configuration, the new feature is suppressed. So we have our open and closed positions. I hope you found that useful, and have a good day.